Hey y'all, I'm glad to be back in the kitchen with y'all today. A couple of years ago when I came out with my air fryers, y'all, I really wanted to produce a good air fryer cookbook because this was something new to all of us and we needed to kind of be trained and taught how to use it. Well, my air fryer cookbook has really been so popular because you don't have to have a Paula Deen air fryer. All you have to do is have an air fryer. But this one, we can't hardly keep it printed. Isn't that right, Teresa?
Yes.
And Eddie, I mean, it
is always
selling out. So, because that tells me that more and more people are getting into this air fryer cooking, and I tell you, it's great, especially if you're like me. I just got my blood work back. My triglycerides are a little high, so that's from eating fried food. So this is a great way for me to still enjoy my food, but cut some of that triglyceride off. So I am sharing with y'all today the fried ravioli on a stick. And this is a great appetizer, but you know, you could make an Alfredo sauce, serve these on top of an Alfredo, or you could make a wonderful marinara and put them on top of that or in it, however you wanted to do it. But I'm thinking this is gonna be Teresa, Eddie, and mine's appetizer for the afternoon, because we got to keep up our strength, right guys?
Yes.
absolutely.
So we are starting, y'all, with store-bought raviolis. Now you can certainly make your own if you feel like you have the time. There is nothing wrong with that. So I think I'm gonna need just a little bit of parchment paper. This is so aggravating. I tore my blade off or something on this parchment paper. So I kind of have to just do it like that. And that's all right. I'm gonna move this air fryer back so you can see what I'm doing and so I can see what I'm doing. All right, the first thing I wanna tell y'all is I am using wooden skewers. So we have soaked them in water because that will lower the chance that they burn on us. So we got those, they have been soaked. We've got our flour, we've got our breadcrumbs, and I'm using the Japanese breadcrumbs because I love them. All right, to that I'm adding a house seasoning. I'm adding oregano, and I'm adding thyme, and then I'm adding Parmesan cheese. That's a lot of urban on that, you know it? Oh, and if you go check this recipe out, we just halved it because it makes 12, and Eddie and Teresa and I can't eat 12 of them, so we're making 6.
No, we could eat them, but we don't need to.
Yes, right. That's what I'm trying to say.
We're holding our back.
All right, so here we go. This is our steps. Raviola. Shake off the excess into the flour. Shake off the excess. Did I say excess? And then into the Parmesan cheese mixture. And that's not wanting to stick so good, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to shake, shake, shake. I'm gonna let that sit a minute. So here we go. This is the process. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had just gotten a few done, and I told Teresa, I said, don't worry about finishing, I'll finish it. So when I just walked back in here, she said, Paula, you're doing it wrong. Because I thought, what am I not gonna get that cheese and the breadcrumbs to stick on. So Teresa said I was doing it in flour.
No, you were doing it egg, flour.
Oh,
and then,
I was.
and
I
you
was
gotta
doing
do
it like this.
Right.
And it was supposed to be like this. See, that's what
Right.
happens when you can't see good no more.
Mm-hmm.
And it's so hard to see and read.
Well, Eddie and I got
That's the only excuse I've got for today.
Well, I had your
For
back. I was
You had
telling
me.
I was telling Teresa she was doing it wrong, and she said, "No, I'm not."
So we were both.
Teresa was doing it right and Paula was doing it wrong. Yeah, I thought, I did the first couple and there was no cheese or breadcrumbs sticking to it. So,
So I left you 2.
thank you. I appreciate it so I can do it right.
Right. So you can prove to yourself that.
I'm just so used to,
Well, egg usually goes first, so this
Yeah.
is an odd one.
yeah, it is. It was just kind of back
Yeah,
asswards.
I'm not really sure what flour does, but I guess maybe it gives it a little bit of a crisp.
Yeah, well, yeah. But my, what would I say? I just thought of that word. Now I can't remember it. My execution of recipes is almost never the same.
I know.
Almost never
And I
the
follow
same.
it by the book.
And see, I think,
we're
dang
in
God, I am the book. I'll follow it by me. Oops. Okay, that got me flustered. All right, so I told y'all, to wet your skewers. So we're gonna I can't see, dadgummit. I was trying to stick the blunt end in. All right, so you can really kind of skewer these any way you want to. You could do it that way or you could do it this way. But I think I'm gonna do it this way. Is that wrong, Teresa?
No, that's how I would have done it. But I don't know if that's
Oh
right
my
either.
gosh, it's so wonderful to surround yourself with people smarter than yourself to keep you straight. All right, so look at this little trick that you can get with the air fryer. All right, this way it makes your toast. Put your slices of bread in or your Pop-Tarts, whatever, and it keeps that so it'll get brown on both sides. And this way, it becomes a skewer holder. Look at that.
Genius.
I know, it's so smart. All right. So here we go. Uh-oh. I missed that one, but I got him back. I got him corralled back in. Oh my gosh, I was using the blunt end again. No wonder it tore up.
Do I need to come help you?
Yes, I need help, dadgummit.
Let me hand you these sticks.
All right, I got it. Okay, and I've got 3 more. But,
That's really all we would eat, but
yes. Well, I can't put the other
we can
ones
cook
on.
those later.
Yeah, I'll cook those later. All right, now we definitely want to spray these because spraying will help them brown. And then we're gonna cook them for, gosh, I think it's 4 minutes.
4, and then we do it again.
Yeah.
And then 2.
Yeah, and then we spray them on.
I was gonna say maybe we should put that in and put the tray in.
You know what? Because I wanted everybody to see. Okay. Since I can't see, I want y'all to be able to see. I can't see the hole, Teresa.
Move out of the way. Gosh bless you.
Thank you, thank you.
not the easiest thing. I'm gonna give you.
I know.
I'm gonna give you a little credit on that one.
And those little holes, those little divots are.
Well,
hard
and
to-
you had to cut off some of the ends of the
Yes,
thing, and that
I
could have
almost
stayed.
cut them too short. Yeah.
This is what real life cooking looks like.
All right. So how many minutes do we say?
4 at 400.
We cooked our raviolis for 4 minutes. I turned them, sprayed the other side of them, and cooked them for 2 more minutes. And they are beautiful, y'all. So look at these. Aren't those beautiful? I love the way they look. And I think that y'all are gonna love the way they taste. Or at least I hope so. Now, I tell y'all, you can dip this in anything you want to. But what I recommend is pesto. And I'm just gonna, oh, my hand sanitizer's in the way. Just drip a little bit on it.
I could do pesto and marinara.
Yeah, you know, that would be good, Teresa. A little of both, it'd be wonderful. All right, Gus came over here like he knew it was ready. He walked away though. Okay, so y'all come on in, kiddies. It's appetizer time. We've got 3 to eat. Okay, y'all dig in.
This is gonna be so hot.
Maybe not.
What, you gonna wait till I go into it, aren't you?
Isn't that what I'm supposed to do?
It's good.
Good. All right, Eddie. There's you one with lots of pesto on it.
There, be careful, yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Be careful, because they're hot.
Now I picked the tortellini, or I picked the ravioli, and this is actually a cheese and spinach. This would be better with marinara.
Yes.
Had I picked marinara sauce, and if
Yeah.
I had done 4 cheeses, that would have been really good with it. So you do want to pay attention when you pick those,
Yeah.
as to what your sauce is.
Oh, so hot. Don't you love that crispy?
I mean, I can't get over how the air fryer just really, it's amazing.
Don't even get me started talking about my air fryer. Because I will be doing a tutorial. So, one more quick and easy appetizer from Paula Deen's air fryer book. Love the crunch. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.